Hi students, now we are going to discuss about chapter 6, triangle chapter, triangles, converts of the BPT theorem. Last class we discussed BPT theorem. Converts of the BPT theorem statement is if a line divides any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, they are divided in a same ratio. What we want to prove then? We prove that a line must be parallel to the third side. We want to prove it dividing. That's why that line is parallel to the third side. For that, I draw a triangle. Give name as A, B, C. ABC. That line is DE is the line. DE is the line. They given us DE line and divide the sides of the triangle into same ratio. That means which are the same ratio? AD by DB and AE by EC are the same ratio. So given part we start. First given information. What they gave? They given us a triangle ABC. A line, which line? A line DE intersect which side? AB side at point D and AC side intersect at where? Intersect at a point E. This information they given in the question. AB line is cutting by the point D and AC side is cutting by the point E. That's why they divide into equal same ratio, same ratio. Which are they? AD by, that's why we can write AD by DB equal AE by EC. In this way we can write that. Then next next step what to prove. What here we want to prove? We want to prove that then we want to prove that line. Which line? DE is parallel to the which is the third side of this triangle. BC side is the third side of the triangle. So we can write DE is parallel to BC. Our BPT theorem case, in which way? Here one line is drawing. That line is parallel. First line they tell him that line is parallel to the another side of the triangle. There we want to prove that line divide the side other two sides in a same ratio. Here reversal. Reversal means that word represent as converts. Converts what we want to prove? Here, the line divide the sides into equal ratio. We want to prove that side become a DE line is parallel to the third side BC. That's why DE is parallel to BC. Next step. Proof case. How to prove that one? First we prove that here given information. What they given in the question? In triangle ABC is given. It divide into equal ratio, which is that AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. There you mark an equation as equation 1. Next what we want to go there? Just we assume. Our aim is to say that D is parallel to BC. Just you assumed that DE line is not parallel to BC. Assumption, assuming. But finally we reach our assumption is a wrong assumption. So first of all we assumed that D is not a. So D is not a parallel line means what we are doing automatically? Another line we try to do. Which line? From D to draw another line. Mark an alphabet as F. DF is the another line drawing and first we prove that DF is parallel to BC. Then F and E are coinciding. That's why we can say DE is parallel to BC. Finally we can say that like that. So next step how to write means next we write as assuming, just assuming that DE is, just we write it as assume DE is not parallel, assumption that but not parallel to not parallel to BC side. So what we were next we doing automatically we draw another line, which line DF in which way parallel to BC. Automatically we draw another line, that line name it as a DF. The DF we says that parallel to the BC side. They are parallel means the DF divide the where they are F is where they are intersecting, then DF intersect AC at which point intersect what point F. Here AC line is intersect by the point F. So we can write like DF line intersect AC line at point F. So point F means intersecting time it divide into equal ratio. What are the ratios we can write here? Intersecting time. What are the ratios? We can write it as AD by DB is equal to AF by AC. Why? Because they are parallel and intersecting there. That's why. So we can say that AD by DB is equal to now AF by FC. There you mark an equation 2. Then compare this first and second equation. Comparison doing which side ratio is common there, AD by DB ratio is common there. That part leave it. Leave and the remaining part right. So we can write from equation 1 and 2. Equation 1 and 2 we can reach that this common side ratio leave and the remaining part AF by FC is equal to AE by EC. EC we can write to that. That means here or any order. First equation write to first and second equation side write any way you can write. First equation right side is which way? AE by EC is equal to second equation right side is AF by FC. Then next process what we want to do means add 1 on the both sides. Adding 1 on both side. Both side we are going to adding a 1. So AE by EC left side part is added with 1 equal right side part which one AF by FC, that side also added with 1. See AE by EC is a fractional number, 1 is a whole number. This also right side case also AF by FC is a fractional number, 1 is a whole number. So what we want to do? Cross multiply LCM. LCM is easy. Cross multiply and same denominator, right? So we can write it as AE plus EC by same denominator as EC. Here also cross multiply time AF by FC divided by FC. Then look at numerator part AE by EC, where it is AE by EC. That means add means join. That two line joining time we get to which line? Big line AC. Instead of numerator place we can write AC by EC. Right side also see AF by FC. That two small lines joining time we get to full line there. Numerator become AC by FC. See both of them. Right and left numerator are same. Numerator part same number or same alphabet means we can cancel. Same number cancellation we get to 1. So we reach in which way? Here side space note that here I write it. So 1 by EC is equal to 1 by FC. In this way we getting there. So take a reciprocal. Here 1 by EC and 1 by FC is there. That's why take a reciprocal. Take a reciprocal. So reciprocal taking time EC by EC goes to numerator and 1 comes to be denominator means EC by FC will get. What we can conclude a meaning EC side, this one EC side and FC side are equal. When it happened, why it happened means E and F point are coinciding there. That's why they are F and E point are. So we can say that when we can say E and F point coincide, F point coincide, they are touching. Coincide means coincide with which side? AC side. That is the reason. AC, E and F points are coincide with here AC side. That's why here I continue in that. That's why what we can write that they are coincide means that is we can say that here AE point line. So DF is DF coincide with DF is coincide with which side? BC AC side. AC side. Oh, how it happened? AC side it coinciding. Why? Because already it says that DF is the because such that also therefore here such that or so or here we can write it as here. What we can say here DF is, what is the reason? DF is parallel to which side? BC side. That's why DF is coincide with AC side. DF is parallel to BC means what we can say? Automatically DE side also parallel to BC. So hence we can say DE is also parallel to which side? BC side. That is, we can write as in alphabet here symbolic way means DE is parallel to BC side. This is the we reach that answer. That is our proof case. To prove case, we want to prove that D is parallel to BC. What is the reason? This F and E point are coincide each other. How it happened? Why? Because DF and DF is coincide with the AC side. How that DF is coincide with AC side? Why? Because already we are assuming time we says that DF is intersecting which side? AC side and DF is parallel to BC. There we are assuming there. That is the reason DF is parallel to BC. Automatically here these points are also equal. That's why automatically we can say DE line also parallel to the which side? BC side. That is the meaning of this statement. This is our converse of the BPT theorem. Related to this one, next we go through some problems. Exercise 6.1 problems we are going to do in exercise 6.2. 6.1 just fill in the blanks questions only. So exercise 6.2. In exercise 6.2, some questions. First question they says about find out the unknown value. They ask you to find. Here see, find out the unknown side value. The diagram is given there. First diagram is like this. Here diagram is given like this. They mark it as A, B, C and D and E point is marking 1.5 centimeter, 3 centimeter, here 1 centimeter. What we want to find out? Find out EC side value. And another information they given that DE is parallel to which side? BC side. That's why EC side value. How to find out? There we apply BPT theorem. BPT theorem says that that line and third side of the triangle are parallel means it divide into equal ratio. What are the ratios? AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. What is the reason? DE is parallel to BC by BPT theorem. BPT theorem. Then AD value is how much? 1.5. DB value is how much? 3 centimeter. Then AE value is how much? 1 centimeter. EC value we don't know. We want to find the EC value. How to find out EC value? Here EC values keep it on one side, but here one problem, EC is on the denominator. That's why what we want to do here, EC sent to opposite side and remaining part EC sent to this side, 3 sent to right side numerator. EC sent it to left side numerator and 3 sent it to right side numerator, and 1.5 also sent it to right side denominator. So we can write EC goes to opposite side, EC into 1.5 equal 1 into 3 become 3. Again our aim is to find EC side value. EC is equal to then multiply number goes to right side, where it comes to be denominator. So 1.5 comes to be. Again problem 1.5 decimal point is there. Remove the decimal point. How to remove the decimal point? Divided with 10 by 8 divided after decimal point 1 place only. That's why. So we can write 3 by 15 by 10. 15 by 10 fraction number comes on denominator, means how we can write? So I write here EC is equal to 3. Fraction number means reciprocal, take and multiply 10 by 15. Which table? 5 table or 3 table? 5 table 10 2 times, 5 table 15 3 times. 3 and 3 cancel, same number cancellation 1. So EC value become how much we get? 2 centimeter become the EC side value become 2 centimeter. I hope you can understand. Same way, one more question, same model. Second question is there. So that question also tells about like this unknown side value find out. Same model only. BPT theorem apply and find. The diagram is like this way. They given the diagram. Here DE side is there, DE here, then here AA, BA, CA values are given as here 7.2, here 1.8, then next 5.4 centimeter. We want AD side value. There also D is parallel to BC. In question they given. That's why how to start BPT theorem. BPT theorem says that AD by DB is equal to AE by EC ratio. What is the reason? Why? Because DE is parallel to BC they given, and using which theorem? BPT theorem. Then AD value unknown there, we don't know. There AD only. DB value is how much? 7.2. AE value is how much? 1.8. EC value is how much? 5.4. Our aim is to find AD. First this part complete, after AD value right. That is easy. Anyway, anyhow you can do that. Here 1.8, 5.4, 4 means a decimal point. How to remove decimal point? After decimal point, one place means divided with 10. So fractional number means how to write? Reciprocal, take and multiply. So 1.8 into 10 by 54 will coming there. Then here denominator 7.2 also there, that also don't forget 7.2 also. We just now calculation doing on the right side part. Any decimal number multiplied with 10, what is the answer coming there? Here the decimal point will removing there. 18 by 54 will coming there. 18 means which table used to cancel? 9 table used to cancel. 9 2s are 18 and 9 6 are 54. Again possible 2 and 6. Which table? 2 table 2 1 time. 2 table 6 means 3. So AD by 7.2 cancelling it, 1 by 3 will get in there. Again our aim is to AD. That's why 7.2 send it to right side, cross multiply that. So AD is equal to 1 by 3 is the denominator number goes to opposite side. It comes to be numerator. 3 table cancellation possible or not? Yes, it is possible. 3 table 7 and 2 times 6. 7 and 6 subtraction 2 in time 1. Then decimal point is that remainder 1 and next place number 2 joining time 12. 3 table 12 when it is 4 times. Therefore, AD value become how much? 2.4 is centimeter is our AD value. I hope this one first calculation of the right side part complete after left side denominator send to up. Anyway, you can do. This is easy for a calculation. Otherwise, you feel confusion and make a mistakes. Okay. Then next one. Another model question. There also converts of the BPT theorem applying type questions. Converts of the BPT theorem. Converts of the BPT theorem, what they telling there? They says that they are divided into equal ratio. We want to prove that line and the third side of the triangle are parallel. Parallel we want to prove. That is our second Roman question. E and F are the points of a triangle. We want to prove EF is parallel to QR. Then values are given. PE value is 3.9 centimeter. Then EQ value given as 3 centimeter, PF value given as 3.6 centimeter, and FR value given as 2.4, and the diagram is how to draw PQR triangle is given. So we can mark it as PQR triangle. They given PQR is a triangle and values are given, and they given as EF. So they mark it as E and F. E and F line is parallel to which side a QR. They give we want to prove this one. EF is parallel to QR. How to prove there? There also converts of the BPT theorem apply. How to prove the converts of the BPT theorem means ratio wise. Ratio right in time, which are the sides value they given a 3 PE value is 3.9, EQ value is 3 centimeter, PF value is 3.6 and FR value given as 2. Here what we want to do means each left side ratio value substitute and check it same value, and same way right side value also take both left and right side value ratios value become same, means we can say EF is parallel to QR by converts of the BPT. That is the meaning of this question. So how to write the ratio wise? We can write it as PE by EQ is equal to PF by FR by converts of the BPT theorem. Then first the left side part. PE value how much they given? PE by EQ left side only we consider. PE value is how much? 3.9 and EQ value is how much? 3. Just we value substitute and check it. Cancel after getting answer is equal to the right side answer. Check it. Here 3 and 3.9 cancel into how much? 1.3. So 3 table 3 1 time. So what is the answer? 1.3 by 1 is the answer of the left side of the left side. Same right side ratio. What is the right side ratio? EF by FR. EF value is how much? 3.6. FR value is how much? 2.4. Again here also problem. Denominator having decimal point. How to remove the decimal point? Divided with 10. How we decided divided with 10 after decimal point? One place also 3.6 by 24 by 10. Again fraction number. What we want to do? Reciprocal take and multiply. 3.6 into 10 by 24. Cancel. Which table use to cancel 10 and 24? 2 table use. 2 table 2 5s are 10. 2 into 12 become 24. Again 12 and 3.6 cancellation possible. 12 table 36 when it is 12 table 3 not possible. 0. Then decimal. Then together 36 together 12 table 36 when it is here 3 times. So 0.3 into 5 become how much coming there? 15. 3 into 5 become 15. Here after decimal point 1 place. That's why from right to left 1 place put a denominator become. Is it the same? Our left side answer is how much? 1.3. Right side answer ratios answer is how much? 1.5. Is it equivalent? No. That's why here we can say left side and right side are not equal. That's why we can write it as EF side line is not parallel to QR. Not parallel means like this, cut cancel. The cancel means it represents as not equal to QR line. Same way, one more question, same method, one more question we can solve there. So there also same process only. Same process, just checking a EF and QR are equal, sides are parallel or not. Second question, second Roman, second question. Values they given as a PE value given as a 4 centimeter, QE value given as a 4.5 centimeter, and PF value given as 8 centimeter, and RF value given as a 9 centimeter. In this way, there also first we draw a triangle, mark it as PQR, and here line mark it as a E and F. We want to prove that EF and QR are parallel. Checking. So first we write the ratio. That line cut the two sides into same ratio. That's why cutting time we can write it as PE by a EQ is equal to PF by a FR. So values, EF value is how much there? 4. EQ value is how much there? EQ value is 4.5. Then calculation doing here 4.5 is in the denominator. That's why remove the decimal point. How to remove? After decimal point, one place after decimal point is there means divided with 10. So reciprocal take and multiply 45. 5 table 10 2 times. 5 table 45 9 times. Then again cancellation not possible. Numerator into numerator 8. 2 fours are how much? 8 by 9 is our left side answer. Same way right side answer. F value. Right side value is PF by FR. PF value is how much? 8. FR value is FR or RF. Value is how much? 9. See? Already we get 8 by 9. Here also 8. So we can say LHS answer and RHS answer are equal only. So what we can, by which property? Converse of the BPT theorem we apply there. That's why we can say EF line is parallel to QR line. This is the question. This in the second Roman they ask in checking question type only. I hope you can understand. Remaining questions we go through next class. Thank you.